Want to launch your own website but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you how to host a WordPress website step by step. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It only takes a minute. Once logged in, search for a domain name. Think of this as your website's address, so make sure it's easy to spell, memorable, and matches your content. If your first choice isn't available, try variations or use one of WordPress's creative suggestions. After selecting your domain, confirm your choice and continue. WordPress will then guide you through the setup, where you can pick a hosting plan and start customizing your site's design. And that's it. You've just taken the first step to getting your WordPress website live. Hosting might sound complicated, but WordPress makes it super simple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and share your new website idea in the comments below. See you in the next video.